Good morning, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial will be on how you could take an image with a solid background and make the background transparent. So I'm in Photoshop and I'm going to open up this image right here. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this background transparent. So you can then take this image and paste this basically and put this image anywhere on your, like on a web page, or bring it into another photo so it doesn't have this background color on it. So one way that you can make a background transparent, again with a solid background, is you have to go over here to the tools over here and look for this icon, or this tool right here that says Magic Eraser Tool. So if you right click on it, you're going to have three different options right here. So I'm going to select Magic Eraser Tool. So I'm going to click on that, and now what you want to do is you want to click on the area that you want to make transparent. So right now I'm going to just click on here, and see, it makes it transparent. Now it doesn't collect everything all at once, so what you want to do is then just click on the other areas that it didn't originally take out. So I'm just gonna make some fine adjustments here right there. Let's get this last one there we go. Okay, so that's how you make it transparent. Now the second step to this, then you have to be able to save this image as a PNG format, because PNG format will support images with a transparent background. So I'm going to go up here, File, Save As, and now I'm going to go over to this area that says Save As Type. Click that down here and look for PNG. So I'm going to just name this Camera Transparent. Click Save. Now I'm going to click OK. So to take this a step further, now I want to combine this with another image to show you that it does have a transparent background. So let's do this. Let's close out of this. Now I'm going to select the image right here. Now I'm going to go over to my File Explorer because I'm using a Windows PC. And let's see here. Let's do this. Let's go back here. Downloads. And then I'm going to do this. Here's the file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this image onto this solid background. And as you can see now, the image was a transparent, because now I combined that image with this solid background, and see, it no longer has that green background that we removed. So this is one way that you could make an image with a solid background transparent, and then you'll be able to take that transparent image that you just created, saved it as a PNG format, and now you can combine that into a web page or into another image. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you today. Stop by often, because I'm doing more tutorials on how you could use Photoshop. And please subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification, because whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And I want to thank you for supporting my channel and my efforts in teaching you how to use multiple different tools to help you with your business or personal life. Again, thank you for stopping by. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.